Poopy, it's raining. We're out here. All right, it started to rain, but I seen some old stuff. This old stone right here. Got a really good signal. Look at this. Did you see this old stone? Some kind of token. It's all folded up. Unfold it later, I guess.
Feels awesome.
All right, here we go. Kirby just got a coin spill. I already know what it is, and he don't. Go ahead.
Oh, shit.
Dude,
bro.
Awesome.
That is so sick.
Is that your first Mercury dime?
Yeah.
Oh my God, let me see.
It's fucking beautiful. I like it. There's something else in there, too.
All right, take this. You can see the wheat. Man, that one's clean. Probably newer. Yeah, 52. Let me see. Ooh, very green.
I don't know. Check it out, Freddie.
All right. Oh yeah. It could be 20s. I see a 4. Damn, 1941. Those usually aren't that green.
It's a weedy, right?
Oh, definitely.
Bob throws manticore away.
Oh, it's silver. I got silver, dude. I swear to God. Oh my God, I got a barber dime, dude.
That's sick.
Oh, no way. Look at this.
Oh shit, that looks good. Well,
No way.
dude, you throw that in there from your pocket.
No, I did not. I don't have a 1903 barber dime. Did you not hear me? I said I got a deep 2830. I dug it live too on my phone and it paid off. All right, let's see. I see a coin spill here. I see 1920.
On a penny?
Yep. There's another, look at the blue one in there right now. 1920.
Oh shit, that's gonna be
19.
bigger than a penny, dude.
1920 on the dot, I think. Yeah. Let's go.
What you got?
Oh my God, look at this. Yes, it is.
Nice.
It's blue. Check it out. Peep 'em.
Dude, that wasn't even ringing up good for you, oops.
I know, it's barely ringing up.
It was crushing it with this thing, though.
Because my machine's on the way out.
I love them Indians. I just dropped that fucking penny right here. Big ass clot out. I loved it.
A 1920 and an 1887 together? Were they still using 1800 coins in the 20s? Don't know.
Put those down on the ground.
Oh. No good. Film it.
All right.
All right, here we go. So, look at how many times have I been over here?
This is like 7th time.
Oh, 1953. Silver dime, though.
Silver dime. Gotta get in focus.
Focus in, you little...
There it is.
Did you hear it beeping?
I did.
It was very tiny. It wasn't super obvious, you know? I have been over here like 10 times, dude.
No. Still sick, though.
Let's get it.
When he first pulled it out, I was like, what the hell is that? Is it plastic?
No, it's metal.
What?
Like,
Well, duh.
I don't
Obviously, you
know
got it
what
on the metal
kind.
detector. Just that barrel part looked plastic.
I bet you it's old, though. I don't know when the last time they weren't plastic.
Right.
I see like copper on it, too.
Look it up. Metal toy gun.
So... Stopped out in this old cornfield because there was a battle back in like the 1700s. That's got my first find. It looks like a very old button. It looks like, man, I don't know the material, but that's a very old button. It's very cold out here. I got my family waiting in the car. I'm sure my wife is thrilled. But hey, that might be my oldest button I've ever found. Tomback? Is that the material? I think that's it.